You're the one that... Oh, sabi ko sa'yo, pagdan na eh. Hindi ka nakikinig eh.
Executives here. Welcome back.
Thank you. No, I'm okay. As the world heads deeper into recession, we meet today in interesting times, so to speak. But to the fiscally strong, this is a time of opportunity. The Philippines has been compared to an island of stability amidst the raging world economic storm. That's not just coming from me. Standard & Poor's said it. Reasonably healthy, Fitch said it. Macroeconomic risk, the lowest, Credit Suisse. Inherently strong, a potential beneficiary of the world's financial woes, JP Morgan. Speaking of the Philippines. We now have 36 quarters of uninterrupted growth since I took office as president in 2001. We've created almost 8 million jobs in 8 years. We remain cautiously optimistic. Our resources and plans will allow us to manage our way through this time. This is because we rebooted our economy several years ago with dramatic reforms in revenue collection and generation, fiscal controls, and banking reform. All of these actions were taken before there was a hint of a global crisis. They have held us in good stead. Our GNP grew 8% in 2007, and in 2008, when 2/3 of the world went into recession, we managed to still have a respectable GNP growth of 6%. And we have a cushion in place to help the poor. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, bye.